Friends, have you ever wondered how ancient philosophy can help you become a millionaire? Yes, you heard that right. Today, we will tell you how stoicism, tested over centuries, can help you profit from the riskiest investments, meme coins. Stay with us until the end of this video, and you will learn all the secrets that will help you invest wisely and calmly. Don't switch off as you are in for some amazing discoveries. So, let's start with the basics. What are meme coins? Meme coins are cryptocurrencies created based on memes and jokes. They may seem frivolous, but their potential for investors is huge. However, due to their volatility, investing in meme coins requires a special approach. This is where stoicism comes in. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy founded by Zeno of Citium that teaches us to manage our emotions and focus on what we can control. Imagine standing before a huge wave on a beach. You can't stop the wave. You can choose how to react to it. Same applies to the cryptocurrency market. You can't control price fluctuations, but you can control our reactions to them. The first Stoic principle we'll discuss is amor fati, the love of fate. In the context of investments, this means accepting all market conditions, whatever they may be. This doesn't mean being passive, but rather accepting realities and adapting to them. If you bought a meme coin that suddenly dropped in price, don't panic and sell at a loss. Instead, think about the reasons for the drop and possible ways to get out of the situation. The second principle is controlling your emotions. Stoics believe that emotions are reactions to our thoughts, not to external events. Therefore, when the market falls, it's important to remain calm and not panic. For example, if you see a sharp drop in your meme coin, don't rush to sell. Assess the situation objectively. Maybe it's temporary fluctuations, and in some time the price will rebound. The third Stoic principle is anticipating difficulties. Stoics constantly train themselves in mentally going through possible difficulties to be prepared for any surprises. In investments, this means being ready for volatility and risks. For example, create a plan in case the price of your meme coin drops. This could be a cost-averaging strategy or diversifying investments into other assets. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose you invested in Dogecoin. At the time of purchase, the price was at an all-time high, but a week later it plummeted. How to apply Stoic principles? First, amor fati. Accept the situation and don't try to change the past. Second, control your emotions. Don't panic and don't sell your assets at a loss. Third, anticipate difficulties. You should have a plan for a price drop, such as cost averaging through additional purchases at a lower price. The fourth Stoic principle is focusing on the present moment. Stoics believed in living here and now, without worrying about the future, and not dwelling on the past. In investments, this means concentrating on current market conditions and making decisions based on real data, not fears and hopes. For example, if you see that a meme coin has growth potential, but the price has temporarily dropped, think about how you can use this situation to buy additional assets at a lower price. The fifth principle is minimalism and self-discipline. Stoics practice limiting their needs and controlling desires. In the context of investments, this means avoiding excessive and impulsive purchases. If you see new meme coins appearing on the market, don't rush to invest all your funds in them. Instead, analyze each project and distribute your investments rationally. Returning to our Dogecoin example, if you decided to buy additional coins after the price drop, do it thoughtfully and considering your overall investment plan. Don't succumb to the temptation to invest all your funds in one asset. Remember, diversification is key to successful investments. The sixth Stoic principle is mental contemplation of the worst-case scenario. This helps prepare for any negative events and accept them with less stress. Applied to cryptocurrencies, this means being ready for significant losses and having a plan for a sharp market drop. For example, if you invested in several meme coins, prepare an action plan in case each of them loses 50% of their value. It's important to remember that Stoicism doesn't teach us to be passive. On the contrary, Stoics aspire to active and conscious participation in life, accepting all its aspects. In investments, this means you should be an active and informed investor, making decisions based on analysis and common sense. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our special video where we dissect the most shocking failures and successes in the crypto market and how Stoic philosophy helps deal with them. Now let's talk about specific steps you can take to apply Stoic principles to your meme coin investments. First, create a list of your assets and regularly assess their state. Second, set clear goals and strategies based on real data and market analysis. Also, it's important to conduct regular audits of your portfolio. This will help you understand which assets are profitable and which need reconsideration. For example, if you see that one of the meme coins is steadily losing value without prospects of recovery, it might be worth considering selling it and reinvesting the funds into more promising projects. Stoics also paid great attention to education and self-improvement. This means you should constantly study the cryptocurrency market, keep up with new trends, and learn from more experienced investors. This will help you make more balanced and informed decisions. Stoicism teaches us to make decisions based on reason, not emotions. This is especially important in the volatile cryptocurrency market, where emotions can lead to rash actions. For example, if you see a sharp drop in the price of your meme coin, stop and think before selling. Assess the situation objectively and make a decision based on analysis. Another important aspect of Stoicism is gratitude. Be thankful for the opportunities the market provides. If you've profited from meme coins, appreciate the success and use it for further development. If you've lost, learn from it and keep moving forward. Let's consider another example. You invested in a new meme coin that promises big profits. However, after some time, its price starts to drop. Applying Stoic principles, you don't panic, but assess the situation. Maybe it's temporary fluctuations, and the price will recover in some time. You decide to hold the asset based on analysis and common sense. The final Stoic principle we'll discuss is the acceptance of unpredictability. Stoics believe that many things in life are beyond our control. In investments, this means you must be prepared for any surprises and accept them with equanimity. For example, if you invested in a meme coin and its price suddenly dropped due to unforeseen circumstances, accept this as part of the game and don't try to change the inevitable. It's important to remember that Stoicism is not just a philosophy, but a way of life. By applying its principles to investments, you will not only improve your financial results, but also become a calmer and more confident person. Stoics believe that true happiness lies in inner harmony and the ability to accept the world as it is. In conclusion of our main plot, let's summarize the key points. Stoicism teaches us to accept reality, control emotions, anticipate difficulties, focus on the present, be minimalists, prepare for the worst, constantly learn, and accept unpredictability. By applying these principles, you will be able to invest in meme coins and other cryptocurrencies more consciously and effectively. Friends, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how Stoicism can help you in investments, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and leave your comments. If we get 500 likes, I will post a video on how to create a Stoic cryptocurrency investment portfolio with a balance of risk and stability to become successful. Stay tuned, as there's a lot of interesting and useful content ahead. See you in the next video.